Warning: toxic houseplants to avoid. Did you know that some of the houseplants you commonly keep in your home can be harmful to you and your pets? Join us in this video to learn about plants that may contain toxins or harmful substances. Plants that may pose a danger to the home can have various effects, including allergies or even toxicity. Some plants to consider include toxic plants. Some plants, such as medicinal herbs, may be toxic. For example, some species like oleander, aconite, and even certain aromatic plants like lilies and saponin may be hazardous to pets or even humans. Skin-sensitizing plants. Some plants can cause skin sensitivity, especially upon contact. For instance, plants like philodendrons, ficus, and poison ivy can lead to skin irritation and allergies. Carcinogenic plants. Some plants may contain carcinogens or toxins that can be hazardous upon prolonged exposure. For example, certain indoor plants like tobacco, jimsonweed, and azalea bushes may possess this characteristic. Plants dangerous to pets. Some plants can be hazardous to household pets. For instance, some varieties of flowers, such as lilies and jasmine, can be toxic to cats or dogs. Some types of harmful houseplants include Dieffenbachia dumb cane, philodendron, lily of the valley, Sansevieria snake plant, azalea. To prevent exposure to dangerous plants, it's important to conduct thorough research before purchasing and caring for them. Pay attention to factors such as toxicity, sensitivities, and risks they may pose to household pets or family members. Additionally, if in doubt, it's best to consult with a specialist or gardener.